Hey, let me show you display comparison between the Redmi Note 13 and the Google Pixel 7 Pro. So at the top you can actually find the Pixel 7 Pro, at the bottom there's the Redmi Note 13. On the both devices I'm gonna set the same quality, so we can actually set the full HD 60 frames per second on the Redmi, and also I set it the same for the Pixel, as you can see. And for sure on the both devices we've got actually the same brightness level, the highest brightness level. Take a look. So now let's start from the beginning. Okay, so that's all for this video. Tell me what you think about this displays, which one is actually better for you. And right now, please subscribe to my channel.